Evening primrose, antibiotic, antifungal, and antimicrobial powerhouse. Unwind and blossom with this primely calming herb. In today's video, our focus is on evening primrose, a versatile plant that has many potential applications. It has been used in the past as a natural remedy for various ailments, and today it is still being studied for its potential medical benefits. We will also talk about its cultural significance and how it has been used in traditional medicine, so be sure to watch until the end to discover everything you need to know about evening primrose. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Let's begin our journey of discovering the wonders of evening primrose. Evening primrose, or Oenothera biennis, is a biennial flowering plant native to North America. It's known for its delicate yellow flowers, which bloom in the evening and close again in the morning, hence the name evening primrose. This alluring plant has been utilized for centuries for its medicinal, culinary, and even cosmetic properties, which we'll explore in greater detail throughout this video. In addition to its traditional uses, evening primrose has been valued for its potential antibiotic, antifungal, and antimicrobial properties. While research in this area is still emerging, some studies suggest that evening primrose oil may have a beneficial effect on fighting infections and maintaining overall health. For example, 1. A 2008 study found that evening primrose oil exhibited antibacterial activity against several bacterial strains, including Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus, which can cause infections. 2. In a 2013 study, researchers discovered that the essential oil extracted from evening primrose displayed antifungal activity against Candida albicans, a common cause of yeast infections. 3. A 2017 study suggested that evening primrose oil may have antimicrobial properties that could help protect against oral pathogens, which are responsible for various oral health issues. Evening primrose has a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly among Native American tribes. Some of the most common applications include 1. Skin health. Evening primrose has been used to help treat various skin conditions such as eczema, acne, and psoriasis due to its anti-inflammatory properties. 2. Women's health. The plant has been used to help alleviate symptoms of premenstrual syndrome, PMS, and menopause, such as mood swings, hot flashes, and breast tenderness. 3. Respiratory health. Evening primrose has been used as a natural remedy for asthma and other respiratory issues. Today, evening primrose is still widely used in herbal medicine, and research continues to explore its potential therapeutic properties, including its antibiotic, antifungal, and antimicrobial effects. Beyond its medicinal applications, evening primrose holds cultural significance across various communities. The plant's enchanting yellow flowers have inspired poets and artists alike, and the plant has been used as a symbol of love, beauty, and hope. Additionally, the seeds of evening primrose have been used as a food source by Native American tribes and early European settlers, who roasted and ground them into a meal. As interest in natural remedies continues to grow, so too does scientific research into evening primrose's therapeutic potential. Studies have been conducted to better understand its antibiotic, antifungal, and antimicrobial properties, as well as other potential health benefits. While some studies have shown promising results, more research is needed to fully understand and validate its efficiency. For example, a 2010 review of studies found that evening primrose oil may help reduce the severity of eczema symptoms. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings and determine the most effective dosage and form of administration. Similarly, further studies are necessary to confirm the plant's potential antibiotic, antifungal, and antimicrobial properties. As we approach the end of our exploration of evening primrose, let's take a look at some fascinating facts about this magical plant. 1. There are over 145 species of evening primrose, which can be found in various regions across North and South America. 2. The name Oenothera is derived from the Greek words oinos, wine, and thera, to seek, as it was once believed that plants' roots could be used to neutralize the effects of alcohol. 3. Evening primrose flowers are not only beautiful, but they also attract beneficial insects like bees and butterflies, making them a valuable addition to any garden. I hope you found this video both informative and captivating. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time! If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other content on herbs, natural remedies, and more. Click on the suggested videos on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content.